I am a mechanical applications engineer, and I work for Westrock, which is a paper and packaging company, and my name is Olivia Heisner. When I graduated from Virginia Tech, I had an interview with one of their recruiters, and they had a rotational program that I was very interested in. And so for the first 2 years, I worked with them going to different company sites, 3 different ones every 8 months. And then I landed here in Atlanta and have been doing this job that I'm in now for the past 3 years, and I absolutely love it. I took intro to engineering, basic technical drawing, advanced engineering, and then I also took advanced manufacturing, and we even had a industrial cooperative technical program for co-ops. So I actually got to my senior year leave school early every other day to go work in the industrial field at a machine shop and really put some of those skills to use. So it's pretty great as a senior, gotta say. They not only prepared me for my job today, they prepared me for the stuff I faced in college, but particularly today, a lot of the work that I do is I'm a mechanical engineer, and I do a lot of 3D modeling and using CAD software, which I got experience and exposure to in high school. I also did a lot of problem solving with the engineering courses that I got to take, and am able to apply that to my job on a daily basis, and so huge help. When I was a kid, I always liked building things. I always liked the idea of being able to create something from nothing. And engineering is essentially that. You just throw in some problem solving. And so basically, when I was trying to figure out what kind of engineering I wanted to do, I really liked the physical world and the fact that everyone needs mechanical engineers. And when you are a mechanical engineer, you can design parts, you can design fixtures, and it's really cool to be able to see the machines and the things that I design and go, that would not have existed if I had not had a hand in it. And so it's really cool to see the ideas that I have in my head get transferred to physical reality, and that's what I get to do as a mechanical engineer. So my day-to-day looks like I usually go into the office because I am an applications mechanical engineer at my job, which basically means I help support our production shop team. We design, build, and test machines that automatically package cans and bottles into cartons. So if you think of a 12-pack of soda you buy at a grocery store, the cans go in one end of our machine and the pack comes out the other. And so day to day will be either designing new parts and doing some like research and development to make our machines better and faster and more efficient, or supporting some of the machines that we are currently building if something that we designed comes back and they're like, this isn't working exactly as we think you guys intended in your design, or hey, we're missing this part, can you design something else to replace it? It's really supporting the production shop as they also try to build and test our machines. So basically my day-to-day is depending on whatever could be going wrong or whatever the production shop needs help with. If there's a problem, it's my job to help them solve it, and then also my job to help continue improving the designs of our machines so they get better and better. I got to be in a program called TSA, which is Technology Student Association, and that's an organization where you get to compete against others in special technical events. And so I competed in technical drawing and 3D AutoCAD, so that's like automated drafting on a computer, and then also competed in structural engineering. And I actually got to compete in state at all 3 of those events, which definitely the classes in high school helped with. 1, do not let others discourage you. 2, do not be afraid to try new things. And 3, do not be afraid to make mistakes. One of the best parts of being able to take these courses in high school is it's a lot less pressure than when you're trying to figure out what you want to do in college, where you have to pay tuition, where you have a whole lot of other stuff coming at you as you try to be an adult. In high school, it allows you to get exposure to these technical fields and go, oh, I think I really like doing this. Let me pursue this in college. Or I tried this. I don't think this technical field is really for me. But that exposure that you get in high school and that chance that you get to really play with it and figure out what you love and make those mistakes there is invaluable.